How to reward in cashback programs work on Capital One credit card. Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know reward and cashback programs that's on the Capital One credit card. Like all reward credit card, you'll earn Capital One reward by making eligible purchases charged to your Capital One credit card. Now these rewards are added to your account balance until you redeem them because Capital One rewards are flexible points. Cardholders have multiple types of redemption to choose from. So when it comes to flexible points, Capital One offers a strong reward programs for travelers and non-travelers alike. Capital One Miles previously an indistinct term for something that was specially cashback now include numerous redemption options to fit any preferences. That's on top of the competitive earning rates even on card with no annual fees. Now best of all, Capital One Reward is one of the most straightforward credit card programs available. With the right credit card, a customer can carry a single wallet and take advantages of strong options including some with no string attached. Most other programs does not offer that level of simplicity. According to the Capital One, the fees associated or the reward programs also differ according to the card or the types of card that you hold. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.